222 of 20 daily chart semiconductor holder index SMH daily chart. Now, let's talk about once again. We have a confirmed reversal top right up here. This is the second day we broke below the 10-day. We broke below the 20. And we're coming down, and there's going to be a major test at the 50-day moving average on the SMH, which is the semiconductor. The stocks that trade in there are stocks like NVIDIA, Advanced Micro, Lam Research, Texas Micron, Qualcomm, Applied Materials. All those stocks trade in this SMH. And how to make money on bull market top reversals. So those stocks have all been falling in price for the last couple of days, big time. And as that has happened, you can see the reversal here. Know how to take the option market and trade the indexes. And when they're going down, have those put option on bull market top reversals. How to identify them. And not only that is to let that trade work for you. We give it to you live every single day of the week. Oh yeah, we do. Take your options trading to we're market makers in the pit. Yeah, we are. We give those out. Our software. Let it work for you. You can believe what you see. See what you believe. Open the door. You have nothing to lose and all to gain. I will promise you that much of it. So here we are, major reversal, bull ETF, semiconductor ETF, led the rallies, leads them on pullbacks, hitting major support level, make or break for it right now, here and now. And the leadership stocks in the SMH have pulled back very nicely. And, you know, we had some big trades when NVIDIA dropped $20 off of the high, Lam Research and Texas Instruments. They all dropped off of their highs. And this is why the SMH has a daily double reversal on a daily level going below the moving averages in a bull market. The strongest bull market trend has pullbacks. Bull markets are famous for pullbacks. They like to shake out the buyers, new setups. Let us take you higher. Let us get you involved in the live trading room. Don't hesitate. Watch us with the entries and the exit in the market. We're market makers in the pit. Watch what we do versus what you do.